My name's Marnie Old, the Boisset Sommelier, and today is Cabernet Day here at Raymond Vineyards. So we're in the heart of the Napa Valley here at St. Helena, and this winery, Raymond Vineyards, has what they call a district collection that highlights and features 100% Cabernet Sauvignon wines from many of the different sub-districts within the Napa Valley to give us a sense, tasting them side by side, of how these individual terroirs within this region compare and contrast with one another. The one we're looking at right now today is the Coombsville Cabernet Sauvignon from Raymond Vineyards, part of that district collection. Now, Coombsville might not be as famous as Stag's Leap District or Yountville or St. Helena, some of the older and more established AVAs within the Napa Valley, because it is the youngest, it is the most recently approved American viticultural area within the boundaries of the Napa Valley. Coombsville is located in the southeastern corner, snugged up into the foothills of the Vaca mountain range. And as a result, most of the vineyards within the Coombsville appellation have some kind of a slope, some kind of a hillside influence to their terroir. The other thing that's interesting down here is that we are snugging down towards the San Pablo Bay. And while it's not as cool and cloudy and foggy as we find in the Carneros district down to the southwest, this southeastern corner is still considerably cooler than the valley floor in the heart of the Napa Valley or in the hills further north. When we get cooler conditions, what happens with Cabernet Sauvignon is that it slows down the ripening process, allowing for development of very interesting flavors and a mix of both black and red fruit tastes. So it's almost like we have a cherry parfait made with both black and red cherries coming together in harmony. The other thing that happens with cooler climate Cabernet Sauvignon is that we often see winemakers like Stephanie Putnam dial back the new oak, because when we have lighter, brighter flavors in our Cabernet Sauvignon, a heavier touch with new oak can overwhelm the delicacy of that fruit. And so when you taste the Coombsville, you'll notice it's a little lighter, a little brighter, a little more red fruit than black fruit, and not quite as over the top with the intensity of vanilla and barrel spice that we associate with bourbon and cognac. Enjoy.